If you're going to give a kid breaks, then your question should be, as a supportive parent, your question should be, I'd like to know what the breaks are there for, and what am I looking for in order to give the child a break? So we should be saying, child requires frequent breaks. What you look for is crawling under the table, agitation, starting to cry, head on the desk, frustration, ripping up paper, whatever it might be. And when you see those things happening, that's when you can swoop in and say, hey, why don't we take a little break? That's where you're going to teach kids cause and effect. When I'm starting to get like this, I need to figure out how to take a break. So we are in charge of looking for the signs that result in them needing to take a break. Breaks are supposed to help you to be better focused, and lots of times it does the opposite, because sometimes they're on a roll, right? And all of a sudden it's their break. You know why it does the opposite? Because we put the child in control of the breaks. That's our biggest mistake. Now, for some children who have some very difficult nonverbal or other types of cognitive types of challenges, we often have something on their desk that tells them do this, then this, and then this, and they get to break and play, and that helps them. For other children, what we shouldn't be doing is telling them, okay, you're going to get a break at this time, and this time. Because now all of a sudden they're having a good time, they're actually focused on what they're doing, and all of a sudden they go, oh, it's my break time. And they get up and leave to go do something somewhere so they can focus better. Well, now you just put a break in the middle of what I was doing. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.